internet! Today I'm super excited because I have another advent calendar unboxing video for you, and this is the one I've been waiting for. It was the first stationery advent calendar I tried last year and I'm trying it again this year. It is the Kikki advent calendar and it's a really similar design. Like, it almost looks the same except it's all navy. Last year I think it was black and gold. I reviewed the box last year and there was some mixed opinions about it. Some people loved it, some people thought it wasn't really great value for money. So what I thought I would try to do this year is I would go through the whole unboxing and then I would look up the prices for each of the individual items, tally them up, and then you guys can kind of see what you would pay if you went into Kikki and bought these items individually. I think some you probably won't be able to, so I'll just have to kind of note those. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys roughly the size of it against me. It's a bit hard to show when it's just the table view, and basically it opens a bit like a book, so hopefully you guys can see, kind of like this. Oh, I already heard something drop. So the price for this was about $150. More accurately, I think it's $149.95 on Kikki's website. They always have 95 cents for a lot of stuff, but it's essentially $150. But I bought this for $145 on the Selfridges website because for some reason it came out earlier on the Selfridges website rather than the Kikki's actual website. I have a feeling that's about $30 more expensive than it was last year. Don't quote me on that. Maybe do a little bit of research, but I just have this feeling it sounds more expensive than it was last year. But I could be wrong. Let's just get right into the unboxing. Okay, so this is the view of my table. Unfortunately, like the Smiggle calendar, it is a bit too big to show you the entire box in one go, and it's gonna be even worse when I open it up. So I'll just shift the box around as I move through the unboxing. So day one is over here. It's a tiny little box, and it is, oh, some washi tape. And they are kind of glued in a little bit like some dry glue. Comes with two washi tape. One is a black Open Me, another is white with gold stars. And they're not huge. As you can see, you don't get a ton. I don't really know how much you get because it doesn't say, but that's day one. So day two is down right in the corner here. So two door opening, probably a pen, and oh, it's kind of, yeah, it feels a lot like last year because I feel like I've seen this pen before in last year's unboxing. It's pretty heavy. It's a gold pen. It's a ballpoint pen, probably 0.5. Don't have any scrap paper handy, but I do have my Erin Condren planner, so I'll just quickly write hello and see how it writes. Okay, it's black and... okay, sorry for my really bad handwriting. I'm just kind of writing quickly as I normally would, and you can kind of see how... I don't know if you can tell, it kind of skipped a little initially, but generally it's pretty comfortable to write with, pretty smooth as well. So I'd say it's a pretty good pen. If you like weighty pens, then this is probably a good one for you. All right, so number three is, okay, number three is over here. I will say these windows actually feel pretty easy to open, unlike the Smiggle where I struggled quite a bit. All right, so I think this one slipped from 23, so I'm going to push it back up. It's like a notebook, and then in this one you get a bunch of paper clips. It kind of spills out a little, but they're little heart paper clips, which are really cute. It's so beautiful. Actually, they're probably easier to see on this backdrop. You get quite a few of them, and they're adorable heart paper clips. So I'll move those to the side. Number four is back here, and what is this? They look like really big paper clips. I think so. Yeah, they're just paper clips, but huge metal style ones. Honestly, they feel kind of like ninja stars, like you chuck them, but yeah. They're okay. They feel a little flimsy-ish, but yeah, they're really pretty. Number five, back here. Man, I'm just going back and forth. And what is this? It's like a decorative star. Oh, okay. I think this might be an ornament that you hang on like your tree, maybe, because it has a star, a glitter star, and some string. So yeah, maybe a tree ornament. Number six is just down here. Seems like another pen shape. Oh wow, okay, so there's some more paper clips that just kind of fell out. So you've got 5 extras that I'll put those aside. And then in here you have 2 pens. I think they're ballpoint pens. I suspect they write similarly to the metal one. Let's try them out really, really quickly. Sorry, I should zoom in more, but I don't want to keep zooming in and out. My handwriting is really bad. My apologies. Okay. I mean, it's standard Kikki K pens. They're comfortable and easy to write with. They're 0.5, they're black, and that's pretty much all there is to them. Number 7 will be down here. It's a bit off screen. And oh, yeah, this is exactly the same as last year. So they have little tree ornaments that you can put on your desk. I'm pretty sure I still have last year's one. I'm not going to open it because the glitter got everywhere last time. Number 8 is just here. And I think this is an eraser. Dream Big eraser. That's cool. It's functional. And there's a little bit, it says like, feels like there's like a sticker on here or something. I don't know. I feel like there's some latex or something on top of this. I think maybe I'm going crazy. I'm not sure. But yep, it's an eraser. And number 9 is over here. It's in a tiny little one here. Oh, what's this? I think it's a pin. Open this up. Tiniest pin. And oh yeah, it's like a badge. Pin, badge, whatever you want to call it. Little metal one. And it's cool to be kind. Gold pin. That's really cute. Number 10 is back here. And this looks like a bunch of cards. I'm proud of how far I've come and excited for how far I'm yet to go. These like affirmation cards. Oh yeah, so they're like little, yeah, they're like little affirmation cards that you'd read, like, I assume to yourself, because it's all about you rather than how you appreciate someone else. I am brave, I am bold, I'm fierce. I am enough exactly as I am. Yep, little affirmation cards. Okay, number 11 is back here. Yeah. Okay. This is, oh, these are like little tree or tags, you're one of a kind. So there was similar ones to this last year. I don't know if they had quotes in them or not. But it's basically some cardboard with string, and I guess you can tie it to a present or to your tree. I guess it's up to you. But and they're all the same. You are one of a kind, you are one of a kind, etc. Number 12 is back here. Yeah. Ooh. More paper clips. These are like the Bulldog clips, except like wired versions of the Bulldog clips. They had this last year as well, so this is kind of a repeat. And you get 3 of them. I actually do use mine more just to hold paper down when I'm writing, if I'm writing on a Midori and it's like folding up. But yeah, they're very stylish. 13 is all the way down here, so if I lay it flat, you can kind of see it. Might be another pen. Or not. What is this? It's like a wristband or something. I think what it is that you might put it around your planner, and then these are like loopholes for your pens. So you put it around maybe personal planner or something, and then you can just store your pens on it. I think that's what it's for. And then 14 is right next door over here, and it's stickers. Ugh, it's like really stuck. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm all the way zoomed out so you can fit the whole box in. 15 is back here, right at the top. And oh, this is I think this is like one that I had last year where I got like different colors, and I said I was going to exchange them with my friends. I don't remember if I ended up doing that, actually, now that I think about it. But yeah, it's a gold one. I'll have to see if I have given them or not. I can't remember. 16 is just over here. And it's some washi tape. I think I already have this one. I might have bought it a while ago on a pack from Kikki K, but it's like gold washi tape. 17 would be back here. And it is an ornament. It's a circle. Oh no, maybe it's a keychain. Might be a keychain. A gold keychain with a star. Okay, shine bright. Yep, it's a gold keychain. Oh, that's kind of nice. I like this one. I just wonder how easily it gets scratched up though. That would always be my concern with keychains, because it's always next to keys, which are never really clean and nice, or always scratching things up. That was 17, so I'm up to 18. Yep, this was the same one from last year, but obviously for 2019, it's just a little desk calendar where you can flip through the months. There we go. And then 19 is down here. Oh, it's like, it's the same as last year again. You've got this really big Bulldog clip. So it's like a big version of the mini, but I do remember this combination coming last year. 20 is back over here. Spec is like a notebook, just the size. Oh, yeah, it's a notebook. What are you grateful for today? Like a little gratitude journal, which, if I'm not mistaken, was the same as last year, because I'm pretty sure I still have that tiny little gratitude journal that they give you, and they just expect you to write once a day. Then we've got 21 down here. And I think, I don't remember if we got this last time, but it's a string where you have like these little clothes pegs, and that you would string it up somewhere in your room, and then you could peg like photos or stuff from it. And then 22 is just here. And I think this is a little sticky. Yeah, they're like little Postit notes. 23, down to the wire. Okay, I think this belongs over here, so I push it back into 24, and I'll just grab this one. And these look like notebooks, or a notebook, around the same size as the gratitude book, but blank. Yep. Then 24 is over here, which I feel like I've seen already because it keeps slipping. And it's just a long to-do list sort of notepad rather. And lucky last, which I kind of feel like I already know what this one will be, 25, is a candle. Yeah, it's really similar to last year, Shoot for the Stars. There we go, Shoot for the Stars. I don't know what the scent is, I can't put my finger on it. It says it's soy wax though, which is good. So that's everything in this year's Kikki advent calendar. It is really similar to last year's advent calendar, I will say, like really similar, just with a few changes in color especially. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and find all these items on the website now, and then I'll be right back. I'm back, and I really tried to do the calculations, but it was very hard because the vast majority of these items are not in the store. And then for the items that are in the store, they're not actually sold the way they are given here. So for example, these 2 washi tapes actually come in a pack of 4. So you do get 2 other washi tapes, and it sells for $10, like $9.95. So this would be half of that, which would be like $4.90 or something like that. And then like I can't even find a listing at all for sale of these affirmation cards or notebooks or anything like that. So it's really hard to say. I will say, like, for example, this gold pen was $19.95 on the website, which I don't know if I'd pay $20 for this pen. What's weird is that these Christmas trees actually come in a pack of 3, but you only get 2 in this one. So again, really hard to guesstimate, so I'm gonna have to let you guys make your own decisions on it. I was hoping it would be really different, but there are a lot of similar things like last year. I personally only opened 2 stationery advent calendars this year. I kind of felt the Smiggle one was probably more value for money because that was $40, and I felt like you got a lot of cool stuff, but it doesn't have the same brand appeal, so you are paying quite a bit for the brand for Kikki. So yeah, I think it's a really personal decision. I probably would still buy it next year just because I love unboxing them and filming these videos and showing you guys. But hopefully you found this video useful and it can help you make a decision on whether you want to go ahead or not. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm really curious. And yeah, I do hope you find the video useful, helpful, and interesting. So thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.